Number 1. 1989 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $3,200, Rochester, New York. The 1989 Harley-Davidson Sportster represents the classic American V-twin experience that has made the model a favorite for generations of riders. Simple, reliable, and full of character, these Sportsters continue to attract enthusiasts looking for a timeless Harley-Davidson. This example reportedly has only 3,000 miles and still wears its original factory paint. The seller notes new tires, a new clutch, and a new factory CDI, while also stating that the bike runs and rides great. For buyers seeking a clean, low-mileage Sportster, this one appears to be a very appealing find. Number 2. 1974 Yamaha XS650 Bobber, $2,500, Fulton, New York. The 1974 Yamaha XS650 remains one of the most popular Japanese twins ever produced. Its strong engine, simple design, and custom-friendly platform have made it a favorite among builders and riders alike for decades. This Bobber-style build features a new fuel tank, seat, battery, mufflers, and several other updates. The seller reports that the motorcycle runs well and is finished in metallic gray paint with multiple coats of clear. With a clean title and classic custom styling, this XS650 offers plenty of vintage appeal. Number 3. 1977 BMW R75/7, $3,000, Wanakay, New Jersey. The 1977 BMW R75/7 is part of BMW's respected Airhead lineup, known for smooth boxer twin performance and long-distance comfort. These motorcycles remain popular thanks to their durability, distinctive styling, and proven reliability. This example has received extensive recent maintenance, including a new battery, tires, clutch, spark plugs, and fresh fluids. The seller also reports that the carburetors have been cleaned and the valves adjusted. With a clear title and no major needs mentioned, this BMW appears ready for the road. Number 4. 1977 Honda CB550 Supersport, $3,900, Augusta, Maine. The 1977 Honda CB550 Supersport is a highly regarded middleweight classic that combines smooth four-cylinder performance with sporty styling. Its factory 4-into-1 exhaust system helped make the CB550F one of the most distinctive Hondas of the era. This Survivor example is described as largely original and retains many factory details. The seller notes that it has been properly stored for several years and may need basic recommissioning before returning to regular use. For collectors who appreciate originality, this CB550F presents an interesting opportunity. Number 5. 1968 Moto Morini Corsaro, $3,300, Portland, Maine. The 1968 Moto Morini Corsaro is a charming Italian classic from a period when small displacement motorcycles played an important role in everyday transportation. Today, these lightweight machines are admired for their style, history, and unique character. This 150cc example reportedly came from the Owl's Head Transportation Museum and is described as being in excellent condition. The seller notes that the carburetors have been cleaned and a new battery and spark components installed. With original documentation and additional accessories included, this Corsaro offers a rare piece of Italian motorcycle history. Number 6. 1977 Kawasaki KZ1000 LTD, $5,800, Kingston, Massachusetts. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ1000 LTD is one of the most respected Japanese motorcycles of the late 1970s. Known for its powerful inline-4 engine, smooth performance, and dependable reputation, the KZ1000 helped establish Kawasaki as a major force in the performance motorcycle market. Today, these bikes remain highly desirable among collectors and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. This example shows 31,000 miles and is described as running perfectly while delivering the strong performance the KZ series is known for. The seller notes that it has new tires and a classic Kirker exhaust system that adds both style and sound. With no major issues reported and a well-maintained appearance, this KZ1000 LTD looks ready for cruising, weekend rides, or vintage motorcycle events. Number 7. 1970 Triumph T120 Bobber, $4,900, Manchester, New Hampshire. The 1970 Triumph T120 Bonneville remains one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever built. Its parallel twin engine, timeless styling, and strong performance helped make the Bonneville name famous around the world. Custom builds based on the T120 continue to attract riders who appreciate classic British character with a personalized touch. This custom bobber features a reportedly enlarged 850cc engine and retains its traditional kickstart-only setup. The seller states that the motorcycle runs great and that the engine was rebuilt before their ownership. Having been lightly ridden over the past decade, this Triumph offers a unique blend of vintage style, custom craftsmanship, and classic British performance. Number 8. 1973 Suzuki GT250, $5,500, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The 1973 Suzuki GT250 is a classic two-stroke motorcycle that remains popular among enthusiasts who appreciate lightweight handling and distinctive performance. Often referred to as one of Suzuki's most enjoyable small displacement motorcycles, the GT250 delivers a riding experience that is very different from modern machines. This example is described as an original, garage-kept motorcycle with fewer than 7,900 miles showing. The seller reports that the carburetors were recently cleaned and notes that the bike remains in excellent overall condition for its age. With its attractive factory styling and strong originality, this GT250 could appeal to both collectors and riders looking for a well-preserved vintage two-stroke. Number 9. 1975 Moto Guzzi Vintage Race MG, $8,200, New Milford, Connecticut. Moto Guzzi has built a loyal following through decades of producing unique motorcycles with unmistakable Italian character. Custom race-inspired Moto Guzzis often stand out at motorcycle gatherings thanks to their distinctive appearance, engineering, and handcrafted details. According to the seller, this motorcycle was custom-built approximately 20 years ago and has spent the last 6 years in storage. While it is not currently running, the seller indicates it can be prepared for operation for a serious buyer. For enthusiasts who appreciate rare Italian motorcycles and custom-built machines, this Moto Guzzi presents an interesting opportunity with plenty of personality. Number 10. 1976 Yamaha XS650, $4,600, Brooklyn, New York. The 1976 Yamaha XS650 is widely considered one of the best classic Japanese twin-cylinder motorcycles ever produced. Combining dependable performance, simple mechanics, and timeless styling, the XS650 has earned a strong reputation among both collectors and custom motorcycle builders. This example benefits from several recent maintenance upgrades, including new tires, cleaned and synchronized carburetors, and a rebuilt front brake master cylinder. The seller also notes that both the electric and kickstarters are functioning properly. Finished in its original paint and backed by a clean New York title, this XS650 appears ready for enjoyable riding and continued preservation.
Number 11. 1969 Norton Commando Fastback, $6,500, Wolfboro, New Hampshire. The 1969 Norton Commando Fastback is one of the most legendary British motorcycles ever produced. Introduced as a high-performance successor to the Norton Atlas, the Commando quickly earned praise for its strong 750cc twin-cylinder engine, distinctive styling, and excellent road manners. Today, early fastback models remain highly desirable among collectors and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. This example is described as being in mostly original condition and retains several classic features including the distinctive fiberglass tail section, iconic pea-shooter exhausts, and matching numbers. The seller reports that it starts easily and runs strong, delivering the unmistakable character that made the Commando famous. For riders and collectors alike, this Norton represents a true piece of British motorcycling history.
Number 12. 1963 Honda CA95, $1,990, Boston, Massachusetts. The 1963 Honda CA95, often known as the Baby Dream, helped establish Honda's growing reputation in the American motorcycle market during the early 1960s. Lightweight, reliable, and easy to ride, these small displacement twins introduced many riders to motorcycling and remain charming classics today. This example has already received several updates, including a new carburetor, spark plugs, mufflers, chain, brake cable, and custom seat. The seller reports that it now runs and rides well, although some electrical work and additional finishing touches remain. For someone looking for an affordable vintage Honda project, this CA95 offers a solid starting point with much of the hard work already completed.
Number 13. 1976 BMW R75/6, $3,500, Mansfield Center, Connecticut. The 1976 BMW R75/6 is part of BMW's respected Airhead family, known for durability, comfort, and dependable boxer twin performance. These motorcycles have developed a loyal following thanks to their simple maintenance, smooth power delivery, and ability to cover long distances with ease. According to the seller, this R75/6 runs exceptionally well and shows no known mechanical issues. It features the desirable clock and ammeter pods, along with a recently installed battery. While the seat and tires may eventually need attention, the motorcycle appears ready to ride and enjoy, making it an attractive option for vintage BMW enthusiasts.
Number 14. 1975 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead, $7,500, Bethel Park, Pennsylvania. The 1975 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead represents one of the most recognizable touring motorcycles of the classic Harley-Davidson era. Powered by the legendary Shovelhead V-Twin, these motorcycles remain highly sought after for their unmistakable styling, strong road presence, and connection to American motorcycling history. This example features patriotic, sparkling America paint created for America's 250th celebration, giving it a unique appearance. The seller also notes the addition of an S&S carburetor and Dyna S ignition, two popular upgrades among Shovelhead owners. Described as running great and being in very good condition, this FLH appears ready for cruising and motorcycle events alike. Number 15. 1977 Kawasaki KZ, $700, New Kensington, Pennsylvania. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ series helped define the performance motorcycle market during the late 1970s. Known for strong engines, straightforward mechanics, and lasting reliability, these motorcycles continue to attract riders looking for affordable vintage projects. This example is reported to run well but will need a battery and some additional attention before regular use. The seller is offering it with a bill of sale and is open to reasonable offers or trades. At just $700, this Kawasaki could be an inexpensive entry into classic motorcycle ownership for a hands-on enthusiast.